Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo Y100 5G smartphone. In this video, we will learn how you can change navigation buttons in your phone Vivo Y100 5G. These are all the navigation buttons. Okay, back button is here. This is home button. This is recent tab button. Okay, if you want to change this, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is just go to the settings of your phone here, then go to system, then go to system navigation, and here by default it is set to three button navigation, and order of the navigation keys are using the second option. Okay, there is back button is on the right side, middle button is the home button, left side button acts as raise and multitask. Okay, to view the multitask, that is recent tabs. Okay, if you want to reverse the key, yes, you can select first option and it will reverse the key. Okay, so here back button goes to just back button and back button and recent tabs button are interchanged. Okay, both button are interchanged. Back button now goes to the left side. This is back button. Okay, this is recent tab. This is home button. Okay, also you can select icon style. By default this is available. You can also select icon style using this option. Okay, so here I have selected this icon style. So whatever may be, yes, you can change. Okay, other option is also available, gesture navigation. If you select it using this swipe gesture, you can go to back or to view recent tabs or go to home. For home, just swipe up at the bottom middle and it will go home. For going back, what you have to do is, see here, I go to this settings. Okay, now I would like to go back. What I have to do is just swipe horizontally on the bottom right side from right to left. Okay, see here, it goes back to the previous previous screen. Okay, also swiping from the left side will also acts like going back. Okay, see here, it's going back to the previous level window. Okay, so to view recent tabs, what you have to do is swipe up at the bottom middle and hold. Okay, swipe up and hold. Okay, see here, that will give the recent tabs. These are all the recent tabs that I have opened. So okay, so in this way you can easily change navigation buttons. If you want to set back to default navigation buttons, again go to the settings and go to system, then go to system navigation and keep it on 3 button navigation. The second option is the default and this is the default. Okay, so in this way also you can set back to default navigation buttons in your phone Vivo Y100 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.